Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to hide a drive in Windows 11 simply. This trick is super easy and does not require any software. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu, right click on it, then go to Disk Management. Firstly, we will go to this PC and see. You will see these three drives will be visible. Now in the disk management, like I want to hide drive D. Right click on the drive, then you can click on change drive letter and paths, then click on remove and then click on yes. Don't worry, again click on yes. Don't worry, this will not delete your data. This drive will instantly disappear from File Explorer and this PC. Again going to this PC and you will see the drive D will be not visible. Your files are completely saved. The drive is only hidden, not deleted. If you want to unhide the drive, again go to disk management, click on the drive like this new volume, right click on it and click on change drive letter and paths. Now you want to click on add, then click on OK and successfully you will see the drive D will be unhide successfully. And that's it, how you can hide or unhide any drive in Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.